Hello friends, here we will see that how to use self-join in SQL. So we will see with the help of one example which contains the places like the country, state, then district and area information, and we have the output like this, like country, state, city and area. So here we go that how we can get multiple columns from one column. So let's start. First, we will create a table in that in our database. So create new table. Then first column is code. Type is int. Set it primary key. Then identity column is auto increment. And next one is description. And varchar 200. Then control level, which is integer, and another one is type, and which is also integer, and save this. So name is TBL country info, and let's save it. So our table has been created over here. Now we will insert the record according to the given data. So first one is refresh your table, so you will get the table over here. Edit, and the first is the country name, which is India. Control level is null because it is superior, and here we will do the entry like state name, which is Gujarat, and control level is 1. It means it is the state of India because the India's code is 1, and type 1, it means it denotes state. Null means it is a country. So here we will just enter for the state 1 1. Same as for Maharashtra. So Maharashtra, then control level will be same like 1 1. Now again another one is MP 1 and 1 because it is these all are the state of India's. And the next one is Rajasthan 1 1. So we had done the state entry. Now we will do the district entry. So here we are taking Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad is the district of Gujarat. So Ahmedabad. So here we will pass the code which is 2 for Gujarat, and 2 means it denoting the district. Another one is Baroda. Same 2, and type is also 2. Hope you are getting the definition first. Surat, then 2 2. Next one is Mumbai, which is district of 3 number, which is Maharashtra. 3 and 3. 3 type. So next one is like Pune. Then Borivali, which is the area of 9 number, means Mumbai, and its type will be 4, which is denoting area. And the next one is Naroda, which is the place or area we can say of Ahmedabad. So it will be 6 and 4. Next one is Sabarmati. So 6 and 4. So we had done the entries over here. Now we will perform the self join to get the information like this: country, state, city and area. So what we will do, first we will do like select star from TBL country info. So you will get the records over here. Now let's do self join over here. So TBL info like country, inner join, same table. So it called the self join. Self join means the join with the same table. So here we are joining for the state on state dot control level will be same for the country code. Inner join. Now we will do the joining for city. City on city dot control level is equal to state's code, state dot code. And next for the area, so join TBL company info area on area dot control level equal to city dot code. So we had done that much, and we will put the condition where for to get the country name. So where, because the main table is country, so where CNTRY dot control level is null. Now we will select the column according to our requirement. So first one is like country name, so here we will go country dot description as country, comma, same we will copy. Now we will perform for the state, so state dot description as state. Next for the city, so city dot description as city, and the next one is area, so it will be like area dot description as area. Now run the query, just remove the comma. Now you will get the result like India country, state is Maharashtra, its city is Mumbai, and area is Borivali. Next one like India, state Gujarat, then city Ahmedabad, and area is Naroda. So this is all about the self join we can perform on a table, or we also learned that how we can get multiple columns from the single column based on the conditions. So I hope this will help you a lot. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till that, stay tuned. If you have any question or any query, you can drop out the comment. I will check it out as soon as possible.